Good morning, Saugus. Today is Thursday, October 9th.
And I'm Austin Judd. This is SNN.
For today's fact of the day, we thought we'd tell you about National Moldy Cheese Day.
Today might sound a little cheesy, and not because it mostly definitely is. Complete with their fuzzy molds and funky little bacteria, believe it or not, you can actually eat this stuff without any harm. And some people even call it delicious.
Today is all about appreciating the ancient art of letting milk get old, on purpose. Some cheeses like blue cheese and gorgonzola owe their strong stench and bold flavor to special mold cultures. It might sound gross, but that funky fuzz you see is totally safe to eat.
So if you're a cheese connoisseur or someone who can't be near cheese, take a moment to honor the world's fanciest mold. Try new things, maybe celebrate with a few crackers and a brave stomach. And by all means, if you need a clothespin or a clothespin for your nose, be more than welcome. Please stand for the flag salute.
Please stand. Place your right hand over your heart. Ready, begin. I pledge allegiance to the flag of the United States of America and to the republic for which it stands, one nation, under God, indivisible, with liberty and justice for all. You may now be seated.
The field trip to the Legacy Summit will be Saturday, November 8th for students interested in leadership, fundraising, and marketing. The trip is open to all Saugus students. If you are interested in attending, please speak to Ms. Grukowski in the library to obtain a permission slip. Spots are limited.
AP exam registration is now open. You must be enrolled in College Board for each exam, then pay in total registration to register for your exam. To avoid late fees, please pay before November 2nd. Registration closes November 7th at midnight. If you would like help registering for exams, there would be 2 lunchtime meetings in room J1001 tomorrow and on Monday, October 13th.
Now, let's go to Mr. Lapata and Coach Russell with this week's Athletic Director's Minute.
All right, good morning, Saugus.
Good morning.
We got a fired up Coach Russell this morning.
Fired up.
You want to tell us why you're fired up?
Nope.
You sure?
Yep.
I'll say it. His program was charged over $900 for a one-way drop to Vasquez High School, and it's kind of tough for programs to keep running when bus fees are that high.
Yeah, it is.
I mean, literally, you could rent a limousine service or a party bus for a third of that price for a 1 hour.
And have a good time.
Okay, on that note, let's go to the players of the week.
The first Jersey Mike's Athlete of the Week is, oh my goodness. Let's go back. Roll that down. Scroll that down. Keep going. Oh,
I know it from memory.
Yeah, I got it right now. The first Jersey Mike's Athlete of the Week is football player Jake Showtime Nuttall. Against Canyon Friday night, Jake led the Centurions offense to 48 points as he was nearly perfect, having 23 completions on 26 pass attempts for 215 yards and 3 TDs. Way to go, J Nut.
Those are great numbers.
Those are.
Could probably play for the Raiders.
He could.
All right. Second player of the week is varsity volleyball player Emily Tran. Emily is a freshman. She had 25 digs and 11 aces last week to lead the varsity volleyball team to 2 more victories in league. She currently leads the team in aces on the season with 71. Great job, young lady.
Absolutely. Okay, the last Jersey Mike's Athlete of the Week is flag football player California Kate Johnson. Kate, a sophomore, is the starting center and the best snaps in the league, hands down. With her spiraling fast snaps, she consistently puts the team into a successful position to run plays. So far, Kate has caught 2 touchdowns and has had multiple carries throughout the season. Way to go, Kate.
All right, Coach. See, you turned your mojo around. You're back.
Yeah, I'm back.
All right, good. Hey, baseball playoffs going on. So,
Dodgers.
do you know what you call a cold hot dog? Chili dog. All right, with that being said, let's go back to our anchor.
Thanks, Mr. Lapata and Coach Russell. Good morning. I'm Chase Dell with today's Saugus Sports Update. Today, girls flag football plays Kennedy at Saugus at 6:30. Girls tennis plays varsity Valencia. Valencia plays at Saugus and JV plays at Valencia. Both games start at 3. Tomorrow, football plays restaurants at COC. JV plays at 4 and varsity plays at 7. The theme is red, white, and blue. Good luck to our Centurion athletes. That's all for me. Now, let's go to Cole Stadler with another segment in our Cooking with AI, Potato and Egg Burrito.
Good morning, Saugus. I'm Cole Stadler, here today for Cooking with SNN. Today, we asked ChatGPT to provide us with a delicious dish to share with all of you and show you how to make it. This dish consists of a protein, a starch, and a vegetable. We chose eggs, tortillas, and potatoes for this recipe. Here's what you need for the recipe. In my opinion, it's not a bad recipe for ChatGPT. I'm Cole Stadler. This has been Cooking with SNN.
Thanks, Cole. Sorry, but that should have had a voiceover, but it still looks delicious and easy to make.
Reach will be hosting college guest speakers to the end of the semester. All presentations will take place in room Q1715 during first and second period. Any junior or senior interested in attending can obtain a permission slip from Ms. Hilstein in room Q1715. Spots are limited. The next guest speaker will be next Monday, October 13th from Cal Baptist University.
Seniors, a presentation covering UC and Cal State applications will be held next Tuesday, October 14th at 7 p.m. in the Performing Arts Center. If you have any questions, please contact your counselor.
The parking lot is only available for seniors who have purchased a parking pass. If you are a senior with a parking pass and someone else has parked in your spot, please park in an unreserved spot and report it in the ASB office with a photo of the license plate immediately.
If you've applied for National Honor Society, the check-in list in room 803 to see if you have qualified. If you qualify, you must see Mr. Miller by Friday during lunch or brunch before school for club information. That's all for today. I'm Cash Overturf. Stay tuned for SNN Radio and Saugus Today.
And I'm Austin Judd. Have a great day, and SNN will be back tomorrow.